when we think about AI and we think about data-driven information and we think about structuring data and seeing different patterns that we may not see, I think that AI can have a massive impact on skills-based hiring. And where I see that happening is actually understanding the skills, both actual and inferred, that are required to do a role. And I think that sometimes we don't understand that as people, because we've got very, very, we can be full of bias, we can be full of preconceptions and misconceptions around things. And so I think that AI could be absolutely exceptionally powerful at saying, well, do you know what? We're going to look at, the last 500 hires we've had on a certain role. We're going to break that down into what the role is, what it does, what skills are required. And we're going to look at the people that have done that role both successfully and unsuccessfully and understand exactly the type of person, the skills that they possess in order to do that job well, and break that down really, really in depth, because it doesn't matter when it comes to AI how micro or even macro and micro you go when it comes to breaking things down. The more the merrier, because then you get a really, really deep picture around exactly the type of skills that you require to do this job well. And then when you're analyzing somebody who's applying for that job, you can go deep, deep, deep into that using AI to surface up those skills or the propensity to take on those skills. The other lovely thing about AI is also, very quickly finding a gap in those skills and a recommendation engine to recommend how you increase that skill in that area that you may not have in order to do that job well, but actually knowing as a percentage it's negligible when it comes to doing the role, but you're offering them the chance to come in and do that role and also increase their skills immediately. So there's loads and loads of different ways that you can look at it, but I think that AI absolutely is imperative in breaking down and understanding the skills before you even think about assessing for them.